Background change alert. Yes, I changed my background because it's been quite a while and it is very rough. So here I have a new chart paper and I love it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this very nice bag which is strawberry themed, and obviously it's a bag as I said, so you can store anything that you want inside it. Not anything tiny. So I did not find anything attractive, but I stored my eraser and I can carry it anywhere. Now before we actually get into the video, I wanted to address that I know I didn't post last Saturday, like this Saturday, because my exams were going on and I have a million different assignments to complete. So now the exams are finished, but I have a million assignments to do. So I quickly whipped up this for you guys. So I still hope you guys enjoy this. So without any further delay, let's get started. Materials required for this craft is a black pen, this is optional, a pair of scissors, glue, I'm using Fevicol glue but you can use any other glue as well, some colored sheets. So I have taken my square sheets in green color and pink color, and finally a pencil and eraser. First we will make the bag. For that we will take our square sheet of paper and then we are going to make it into a rectangular shape because square shape won't give us a bag. So that's why I'll just trim a little bit off. Then I have it, and now we are going to actually get into the procedure of making this. First, on one of the sides we are going to fold a little bit. Then we are going to take a little tiny bit and we are going to do that from the right side. So once we have that, we are going to take our Fevicol glue and put glue onto this flap. Then take this flap and stick it. There we have it. Then we are going to fold a little bit off again, like so. We will fold this inside like so on both of the flaps. Then we are going to open this. So here's like a pocket type thing, and then we are going to flatten out the triangles. Again, from this flap we are going to bring it in the center line, and same with the upper one. So here what we'll do is, again we'll take our glue and stick it to the center. We are going to take the left flap, like any of them you can take, and we are going to bring it inside, same with the other side. After we have that folded, we are going to open this, and what we have to do is, now we got to observe, use our observation skills. So here it is, and we are going to open it like that, and we are going to repeat this on the other side. Now as you can see, nothing is there on the bottom, so we are not going to leave it like that. So we are going to take another sheet of our same color paper. Remember, it should be same. And then we are going to try to measure this, and we are going to cut it out. So according to this size I cut it, and then I'm going to stick it. So here I have the bag made. So yeah, we mostly have the base down. We're just going to take the upper portion and bend it like this. And yeah, we have the base of the bag ready. We are going to take the green sheet of paper and we are going to make a semicircle. Make sure it's not too big. We want the strawberry theme, so I'm just going to make a little semicircle. Remember, this will be the layer that is going to be behind. Just going to cut it out now. And then I'm going to take the same color, this one, and trace a smaller one. What I mean by this is, first we are going to outline normally, then we are going to remove and make a smaller semicircle. Like so. It kind of looks like a watermelon, but we don't want that. You can just measure it accordingly. Now to make it function properly, right now we just have a few pieces and we can't open it like that. Before we do that, we will be sticking these two shapes together. Taking the same color, that is our pink color, we are going to make an extended shape with the same size, like a rectangle, and cut it out. Take the glue and on half part of this, I'm going to stick this. And then we are going to fold this, and on the other side we are going to glue on the back side of this bag. This is, hey, I am the editor. I just wanted to mention that we should not apply glue on this flap. Inside of this we need to apply the glue, and on the bag we need to stick it on the inside. I hope it makes sense. As you can see, this is a mess, but we have to apply glue on the other side. We should apply glue on this side as I was showing, and this is what actually needs to be done. So here I have the base. So we are just going to open and we have the bag inside. So now, just to add a little character, I'm going to take my black pen and make the seeds. But this is optional. So here I have it. Yes, I know I went a little obnoxious with the seeds, but I like how the way it turned out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Materials required for, like the eraser of this pencil won't do me good, so I have a backup. Should I do it on the back side? Nah, I don't have time. Oops. Let's do this. So, So here we are going to, I'm confused.